Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how this new awesome paper airplane flies. This is a new design based on the Swallow X. So this looks very awesome, right? So let me throw it now. Ooh, wow. Okay, so let me go over there to see how it's land, okay? Let's take a look at this. Wow. See that? You can see from this side too. Wow, we got to pick it up too. Let's take a look at this. Very nice. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design based on the Swallow X. So first of all, let me flatten the paper down, and I'm going to fold the paper in half. Okay, so fold it in half. Just like traditional swallow plane, we will follow all the steps. Okay, so I'll start from the upper part of the paper and fold to a side. I'll press the paper down, press it down. If it's not even, I will fix it before I do the next step. So this is a good time to fix it. Fix this now. Unfold the paper. Now I'm start from the upper part. I fold to this size. Okay. When I fold, I will make sure that it's matched to the edge right here. So I just hold the paper and press down. Okay. Press down is very hard. Okay, so it's look fine, and I'll flatten down the paper and flip it over, and I'll use this point of reference. I'll just fold this part out. Okay, this look fine, and I'll press down the paper. Press it down, flatten it, and flip it over, and start from this crease. You can see the crease pop up now. Okay, I'll fold both sides of the crease to the center crease and press down this part of the paper. Now I have a house shape. This is a very standard fold, so I'm not going to explain it anymore. Now we start from this part of the paper and fold it up. When I fold up, I'll just fold slowly. Okay, now this is the time for us to adjust the paper before doing that part. So just fold slowly here, press it down. Turn the paper this way so that I can fold it easier and I can show you guys clearly. So just fold this part up too. Press down the paper. Same thing for this side. So I'm going to fix both sides. Now start from this edge for to the center crease. Press it down. Okay. This is a very standard fold, so this is nothing new here. Press it down for this side too. I fold it like this first. Okay, same thing for this side. Alright, so turn the paper this way so you can do it faster. Fold it like this. Press down the paper. Press down the paper. Okay, and now I'm going to pull the paper down like this. Like this. Okay, I fold this down. Same thing for this side. I fold this one down. Just fold it down a bit. Okay, I just make a crease here. Okay, and I fold it back. I fold this one back, and I fold this to the center crease. Same thing for this side. Now I have the crease here as a reference for me to fold. So I fold it back like this. So I am almost finishing the head of the bird. Now it's look fine. Okay, so now I just turn the paper over and fold this part of the paper down to create the head of the bird. That's look fine. Okay. On the following step, I will place the paper like this. Okay, so when I fold the paper in half, I can fold it this way. Okay, make sure that this will go down. Okay, So on the following step, I'm going to fold it like this. You can see this edge, I'll match it to the edge right here, just like this swallow X. Okay, so first like that. This looks perfect. I'm going to do the same step here. If this is not, then I'll just adjust it a little bit. Make sure that is make a point right here. I'll put it a little bit more. Okay, so for a crease from this point to this point, same thing from this point to this point. Now I can fold it back. Okay, and now I can open this part of the paper and push it in like this. Okay, same thing for this side. I fold it up and push it in. By doing this way, I can keep both sides of the wings together, and I will insert it into the pocket here. This is important step. Okay, so I open this part and push it in. Now it stays below and strong. Same thing for this side. Open it up and press it in. Push it more in toward the center. Just like the swallow X, it looks really nice. Okay, and now I'm going to fold the paper this way. Now this is the paper is very thick, so curve it. Do not press it right away. Make sure that both sides are even. This is very important that you adjust it, the paper, so both sides of the wings are even. So now I just finished this important step. This is a very difficult part. So next step, I'll start from this part of the upper part of the head. I'll go straight to this point, and I'm going to press this down hard. But you know, because this is very thick, this is impossible for me to match this edge to the below edge. So I just curve it and then match this edge to this edge below here. I'll just curve right there and then just press down here. I press down the part right here just to make the wings. So now when I open this up, this part we just curve a bit, but it will not make a crease. That's fine. This is what I want, and I'm now going to do the same step for the other side. So I'll place the paper like this so you guys can see it. I try to match this edge to the below edge, but I just curve it in half. It's impossible for me to fold it down. So I will use the other side as a reference as well. Okay, fix this right here, and I'm going to fix this side too. So when I fold, I will try to push down, and I'll try to match both sides of the wings so it's even. Okay, so now I slide it like this, and I can press down the wing. This is difficult, but I was able to make it. Okay, so now I have both sides of the wings. I press down the paper, put it down, and here you go. You can see this part, the paper pop up. Let me hold up. You see this part? Okay, I'll open this up a bit and pull it out. I pull it out and I press this all together. So I pull this one out like this. You can see that, right? And I just press it down. I put a little bit more so I can press it down, and I push it down here. So I finished one side of the landing gear. Now I'm going to do the same step for the other side. I pull this one out. Okay, this is a very cool paper airplane with the landing gear. I will open this first and pull it out, both sides too. I need to hold the paper and pull both sides out. As you can see that I pull it out right, and I'm now going to adjust it and press it hard. Okay, now you can see the landing gear is here. I fold the landing gear to this side and to the other side, so it's look more like a real landing gear. And now I can open the wings. I have a paper airplane with the landing gear. You can just like pull it back and forth Okay, so it's up to you if you want to don't want to have the landing gear. I put the paper airplane down here. Make sure that both sides are even. So for the landing gear out, you see the landing gear like this. Okay, this looks very cute. I see. Can you see the landing gear now? I just put it down a bit. Okay, for it to this side and the other side. When I place down the paper, you can see it's stay. Okay. So he finished the landing gear, but will the paper airplane fly right away? No, it's not. So we need to create these stabilizers right at the end of the wing. So for this part of the paper up, to create a stabilizer, I finished this side, and I will fold the paper in half like this, so I can fold the other sides of the stabilizer. I just fold it this way a bit. That's look fine. Open the wings, and this looks very cute. Very cute blend. Okay. On the following step, I'm going to create these stabilizers. Not the stabilizers, my bad. I'm going to create the elevators. So one side, one elevator, two elevators, and fix the stabilizer. Now I place the paper airplane down. Here we go. So this is what you see. This is very cool from upside down, but I'm going to show you how it looks like from this angle. It's really nice with the landing gears. The plane, when you throw the plane, if it's landed correctly, it will be like this, right? So this is very cool. Alright, here you go guys. So this is the new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.